What's good, YouTube? We back ahead with another reaction video with your boy, Playboy Mar reaction. Today we are reacting to routine traffic stop. Uncovered something illegal inside the car. Hey man, this sound like it's gonna get lit though. I ain't even gonna lie. Based off the thumbnail and everything, this is some crazy shit, man. I'm not even gonna lie. But we're gonna hurry, we're gonna get right into this video.
How you doing, man? My name's Officer Smith, Akron Police Department. Reason for the stop, you're over the middle of the marked lanes. A little bit, not a huge deal. You got your ID on you, man? What's that?
No, I don't.
No. Okay. And then real
The way how this nigga driving already pissing me off. Bro, if a cop is gonna pull you over, fix your seat, nigga. Especially if you got something illegal in the car. Like, realistically, bro. Anytime I get pulled over by a cop, man, I fix my seat straight the fuck up. Make me look like a regular civilian. Like, I ain't hiding shit. Even if it's just a simple speeding or whatever, man. I don't care. It all depends on how the cop first sees you. Depends on how he's going to treat you. Simple as that. I mean, come on now.
quick,
Fix yourself.
yes, sir, but it's just a new firearm laws in Ohio. Any firearms on you or in the vehicle?
No, sir.
Okay.
And the shit's always happening in Ohio. Come on,
Appreciate
y'all.
it. Where are you guys heading to tonight?
Are we going back to
Coming from your house?
Who's coming for this?
From where?
Bro just looks so damn nervous, bro. Bro, fix your motherfucking face, bro. Fix your face. Fix the way how you sitting in the car, bro. You don't want to look like you got something on you, but right now, you look like you had something on you. You not making anything better for yourself right now, respectfully.
Oh, okay. Anything good?
Food trucks, bro.
Oh, I hear you. All right. Be back to you in a second. All right, man. Did you know that your license is suspended?
Yeah, we just literally tried to go get me today. We were waiting for my shorts to roll over.
Okay.
You feel me? I'm only driving because she just had surgery and her period just started. She was
Okay.
crying and complaining.
Okay. Well, I can work with you where I can. For right now, though, I'm gonna have you get out of the car. I'm gonna put you in handcuffs, but it is an arrestable offense. Doesn't mean you're going to jail, though. Okay. So, real quick, I'm gonna have you set your phone up there. And if you want to set the
Okay. See, chat, y'all know I live in Ohio. I've been pulled over with a suspended license before. They ain't tell me to get out and put my hand and put cuffs on me. He must have some more shit on his record. Cause they ain't do this to me, and that's crazy, bro. I live in Ohio. And I've been pulled over with a suspended license. This is some crazy shit. Hold on. He must have been doing some more shit.
that dollar bill up there, and then go ahead and put your hands behind your head for me. Interlock your fingers, and I'll have you lean forward, and I'm gonna get you out. Okay.
I understand, but unfortunately, he's still driving.
All right. Go ahead and lean forward.
Chat, what you think they getting him for?
All right. Step out facing the door jamb for me.
Just being detained.
It's more than a suspended license, cause ain't no way they pulling him out the vehicle like this, bro.
Keep up.
Yep. I'm trying not to pinch you here.
I'm done pausing.
better?
I paused already too much.
There we go.
You pick up my door, go to the floor too. You get a chance.
What's that?
The door is on the floor.
Yeah, I can work with you. Give me 1 second, man.
Got
All right. I'm gonna bring you back here real quick. You don't have anything that's gonna pose me a problem, anything like that. Okay. We're gonna go this way. I don't want you to get hit by anybody. $12. No guns or anything like that. You might have a check. Well, so to be fully honest with you, I can't tell you one way or what to do, one way or the other. The vehicle is subject to tow. With you driving without a license, go ahead and turn your feet for me real quick.
Driving under suspension is like, bro, I'm not even gonna lie. I still feel like that's a very dumb law to like get pulled over.
When they prescribed, I got that.
Okay.
I was gonna say, even though she got her license, y'all still got to her.
We'll see what we gotta do.
These Akron police?
Something though with the finding news.
I just look like an Akron residential area. Like I drove past
here. To a lawyer and have him or her present with you while you were being questioned. You cannot afford to hire a lawyer. One will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish. You decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand each of the rights that I've explained them to you? Okay. Having these rights in mind, do you want to talk? No? Okay. Go ahead and watch your knee real quick.
Yep, it's Akron. I knew I wasn't tripping. I knew that neighborhood seemed familiar.
Dude, I'm gonna have you step out, but can you leave your purse at your feet when you step out for me?
Yeah, I seen. Yeah, I knew this.
I'm gonna have you
that
come
neighborhood
sit on the hood
just
here,
seemed
okay?
too fucking familiar.
Closer to the sidewalk. I don't want you getting hit.
He got the rifle sitting there.
Do you know who the rentals? It's in your name. Okay. Is there any guns or drugs or anything like that in the vehicle? A little bit of weed.
It ain't nothing like that.
Okay. You mind if we check?
Yeah, no, you're fine.
Okay. Appreciate it.
That ain't no little bit of weed. Even though weed is legal here in Ohio, even at this time that, you know, they being pulled over and shit, that ain't a little bit of weed. My nigga, that is damn near a ton. Oh, nah, fam. Oh yeah, he going down. They both going down. Simple as that.
5-9. So you want to come show you something real quick?
That's more than a little bit of weed, bro.
So we got sit back in the car. He had some pills in his pocket. I'm trying to figure out what those are. I read him Miranda. He didn't want to talk, so I wasn't able to ask him any questions about that. Do you know if he has anything that he's prescribed or anything like that?
I know, like, he has, like, anxiety.
Okay. Yeah, if you want to, you can sit there. You can sit in the driver's seat. I'm not going to tow the car. Regardless of whatever happens here, you're going to have to be the one that drives. So I'm going to try to figure out what these are real quick. Like I said, I couldn't really ask them, so that'll kind of depend on what goes on.
That nigga had perks. I don't give a fuck. That's perks. I'm surprised they're not even getting them for the weed. But then again, weed is legal in Ohio. I think as long as he wasn't consuming it while operating the vehicle, I think he's fine. But other than that, man, it's just some crazy shit. I ain't even going front. Is that Brown? Let me find out this all happened on Brown Street. That shit look like it says Brown Street. Like this literally looks like Brown Street. like near downtown Akron. Just some crazy shit, man.
Damn, what y'all taking me to jail?
I'm trying to figure out what these are. See what we're gonna do.
How about to say, I got a prescription for him and everything. They Xanax.
But are you willing to talk to us and let us ask some questions?
Go ahead.
Okay. So you do have a, what are they?
Xanax.
Okay.
I got ADHD.
Yeah, where's the prescription at?
Home. I just took a couple pills because I've been staying at her house.
Why didn't you keep them in the pill bottle though?
Because I didn't want to bring the whole pill bottle and then y'all really think that there's something what's going on.
Well, but I mean, if your name's on it, then it
I'm about to say, I understand. I'm about to say, I understand that part. It seemed fishy, you feel me? Y'all done pulled me over. I ain't got no L's or something in the bag, you feel me? But I ain't gonna lie, I could call my mom right now. She'll tell y'all, you feel me? I got ADHD, you feel me?
Okay. I mean, yeah. I don't understand why you would take them out of the pill bottle though. Cause because it's a lot less fishy if I look.
I mean, I do the same thing. Listen, if I'm going somewhere and I don't want to bring the whole bottle, I'll bring like a little bit in my pocket. But then again, yeah, it would seem less fishy if they were in a bottle. But also at the same time, even if they are in a bottle, cops, y'all still gonna do what y'all want to do. Y'all see pills, y'all gonna do it. Y'all gonna continue doing the bullshit. You feel me? It don't matter. But then again, I feel it be less fishy if you had them in a bottle, for surely.
Get a pill
Yeah, I'm about
bottle
to say,
with
yeah.
your name on it.
Yeah, I understand that part. I ain't gonna fake. That's fucked up on my end. I ain't gonna fake. Because my mom even told me, like, before I even left out the house, she like, why would you put them in that bag?
Oh,
You know, they
I didn't even recognize you.
Yeah, I know. Y'all I said that. I said y'all put me over
I
this
didn't even recognize you. You changed your hair a little bit.
Yeah, I cut my hair. You feel me?
Yeah.
I wanted to join away. She wanted me to cut my hair, so I cut my hair. God damn, these motherfuckers tight.
What's with all the weed, man?
Me and her just left. Me and her just went and got some weed. You feel me? Some of it mine, some of it's hers. You feel me?
I knew they was gonna say something about the weed. They was gonna say something about it. That's a lot of fucking weed. And on top of that, you got pills in your pocket, bro. It do not look good for you at all, bro.
Mm-hmm.
But I know weed legal. I'm allowed to smoke.
Oh, it
weed.
is, yeah, but like you just got like a lot of bags.
I know, you feel me?
Packaging.
Damn, what I was about to say, I know the big bag, you feel me? I just told them, you feel me, don't give me the big bag. They was like, we ain't have no more small bags.
Okay.
Feel me? I had got it from that smoke shop down on Copper.
I'm just asking because you got a good amount of cash on you, a lot of different
I just cashed my check.
Oh, did you? Okay.
Yeah. I work at FedEx. I don't walk. I mean, I don't. Bridgeville.
Okay. It was a good job.
Yeah. The hours suck though. You gotta call in every morning and see what time you gotta go to work.
No, that's true. My brother be doing that, had to do that same shit when he was working at FedEx. FedEx really is like, I don't know. The hours suck, but the pay be good. I don't know. Somehow, I don't know how it correlates together.
Copy 122 East Bay.
Honestly, just do something for this thing to bring. All right, so what's gonna happen since you don't have the prescription?
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna do a summons. I'm not gonna make you go to jail or anything like that over it.
All right, that's cool.
And then when you go to court, you can bring
in my prescription.
Yeah.
I'm about to say I had something like this happen. Before. I had I think I had like 2 in my pocket, and it was like, you feel me? Why don't you have them in a pill bottle? I'm like, I don't want to bring.
One thing, if I've stopped you before, I don't think I've ever stopped you before, and if I saw a pill bottle for that, then I.
I'm about to say no, cause I don't want to bring my whole pill bottle, cause what if I lose my whole entire thing? Then I'm assed out.
I hear you, but with these, I would start doing that. Unless it's like ibuprofen or something along those lines.
That's
You're cool to
understandable.
do that, but like with these, like with Xanax, just in the future, carry it in the pill bottle. I don't have any way of knowing.
Okay,
you know?
I understand. You feel me? I'm about to say that's why when you put them on, I told you right off the back. It's like, if y'all don't believe me, you feel me? I give y'all Duke's number. Y'all can call her, ask her y'all damn self. You feel me?
Yeah. So just make sure to bring that prescription with you to court. And in the future, if you want. I know when you go to like the pharmacy and the bag it comes in, there's like a cardboard piece.
Yeah.
If you just want to bring a couple pills in a bag, bring that cardboard piece with you so you don't have to worry about losing the whole pill bottle. And then you can have that in your pocket, in your car.
Okay.
And then in something like this, like I had a lady do that the other day. It clears everything up. So in the future, if you don't want to bring the whole bottle and lose it, keep that cardboard piece that they put on the bag when you get it from the pharmacy and then bring that around with you. So if you lose it, just a piece of cardboard.
So yeah. So we're gonna do the summons, like I said. I'll get you out of cuffs and stuff.
I'm about to say, please, these motherfuckers.
Yeah, yeah. And then she's gonna drive since she's got a license.
That's cool.
Just hang out up here and stuff. Take care of it. You want me to do the site and stuff?
Yeah, if you want to do the style, yeah, the summons real quick.
In the gym? Yeah. Lifting, doing a lot of doing a lot of cardio, doing a lot of body weight exercises.
Alright, I'm gonna get your right hand off first when I get it out of cuffs.
Right hand won't hurt.
Yeah, it's on there kind of sideways, so. Alright, just don't put your hand on your head for me. And then you're good to go up there. I'll tell her the same thing I told you.
I didn't get my phone, my money and stuff back. I gotta pay bills.
Yeah, no, we're gonna get that back to you.
I ain't gonna lie, he got off. He got off pretty smooth. I'll say that. Most definitely got off smooth.
Here's your ID back. Like I explained to him, I'm gonna have you guys hang tight here for a second. He's not gonna go to jail, but we are gonna do a summons just with the pills, since he doesn't have the prescription bottle with him.
Okay.
We just have no way of knowing. If he goes to court and shows him the prescription, he'll get dropped.
Okay.
So it'll just be a couple minutes, okay?
Okay.
Yep. What's that?
Y'all already get summons over 3 pills?
Yeah. Like I said, it's just because it's not in the bottle. So real quick, I'm just gonna have you sign right here. It's not an admission of guilt. It's just that you received your copy, and I'll give you your copy, okay? And then the court date for this and the pills is gonna be the 2nd. If that doesn't work for you, there's a number up top where you can call, okay? Alright, and then...
I go down this street so much.
Same thing. Fine, it doesn't say you're guilty. Just said I showed you a copy. It's going to be the summons for the drugs for the pills today. Said earlier, bring that copy of the prescription with you to court, okay? If you want to sign right there on the line for me next to the X, we'll get you a copy. What's that?
Hey man, what do y'all think about this video, bro? I don't know. Shit. Wasn't as exciting as I was hoping it would be. You feel me? But if you guys enjoy this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment for more videos like this if you guys want to see more videos like this, or if you guys just want to see me do like any other type of videos, you feel me? It don't even gotta be this for real, you feel me? But yeah, man, I'm gonna catch y'all.